Immobiliser fit, and this is an XC40 fully electric with a Starline Pro. So a thief gets the key, they hop in the vehicle to try and steal it, get in, go to drive away. When they select a gear, you'll see the ignition power up. They go to drive away, it's going to cut out. So select a gear, cuts out. We'll try reverse as well, so you can see that vehicle cuts out. So for the customer, what they've got to do, select their gear with their foot still on the brake, pop the disarm code in that they want. 1, 2, 3 we have set for now. Wait for the disarm tone, now they can drive. So select reverse, vehicle drives, put it in gear, vehicle moves. If they're not a fan of push sequences, they can turn their Bluetooth phone on. So we'll just turn the vehicle off, lock it. Now next time they come back to the vehicle, they'll have their Bluetooth phone in their pocket. So Bluetooth on, phone locked in the pocket. Come back, unlock it, get in. Hear the melody straight away. They can select their gear and drive, no need for a push sequence or a pin code. They're able to drive it straight away like it was a normal vehicle, using just keyless from the phone. If they want to take it for a service, take it back to Volvo, they'll hop into the car, go into the Starline key app, press and hold on here till the green goes to yellow. When it does, we'll let go. 2 bleeps and now it's in service mode. So next time they come back to the vehicle, we'll just lock it. Sorry, open the door, lock it, unlock it. You'll hear no melody, it won't be looking for a code, and it will just drive as if it was a normal vehicle. Doesn't cut out, able to move it. Volvo can do what they need to do as if it was a normal car. When you get it back, just do the same thing we did before. So on the app, press and hold back to green. When it goes green, we'll let go. 2 bleeps and the system's back on. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off to give it a test. So we'll turn that off so it's not looking for the phone. Open and close the door. Lock the vehicle, give it 10 seconds, and then come back and attempt to steal it. So here we go, here's our attempt to steal it. Unlock the vehicle because we've done a relay attack. Hop in, go to drive it away, select the gear, cuts out. So we know it's active again. So we'll select our gear, go through the code the customer chooses, 1, 2, 3, wait for the disarm tone. Now select the gear and drive. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is an XC40 fully electric, immobilised by us at Immobiliser Fit. Once again, protects you from key cloning, relay attack, pairs to the phone, has a push sequence using factory buttons. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.